What is up, guys? Welcome to the channel on Auto Addiction. Today we're going to be checking out the Raceline wheels in full, so y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, so here it is, the truck unveiled with the new wheels on it. I think it looks awesome. So shout out to Raceline wheels again. If you guys haven't checked those out yet, go check them out on their website. The link will be down below. And here's some close-up shots of it. So these are 22 by 12, negative 51 offset. Go check out the previous video. I'll have a link of the model number on these. Again, these are the Raceline forge setup. So one thing we always run into on these OBS trucks is the center caps. So the reason I didn't do a full video on this was because the center caps didn't fit. So I got my buddy over at Pratt CNC here in Titusville. So if you need anything made out of plastic, hit him up. I may do some billet caps eventually, but hit up Pratt Plastics. I'll put a link down below. But so what he did is he made me a spacer for my center cap. Is a 1-inch spacer. That way I can still run my center cap, and then whenever you're looking at the wheels, I mean, you can barely even tell. It's kind of tucked back in there, but he beveled it, made it nice. So this is like a, I forget what he said this plastic is, but it's real dense. So it's pretty strong. It'll hold up to brake dust and stuff like that. So made the center caps look good. And I didn't have to run a wheel spacer and then stick the wheels way out. Some of you guys will do that as an alternative. Get a 1-inch wheel spacer, cut your studs. But I kind of like the profile of the truck when you're looking from this angle. You know, my wheel doesn't stick way far out. And then another thing I ran into was, as you can see, these are not the white letter tires that I had mounted in the first video. So I drove on those tires. I put about 10 miles round trip on them, and they rode horrible. So I got with a couple of our distributors. They hooked me up with a set of NITTO Terra Grappler G2s. These tires ride so good. Instead of a 35 1250 22, I went with a 325 50 22. So it's a little bit wider. So this way, when you mount it on a 12-inch wheel, it kind of gives you a little bit of a bubbled sidewall. Makes it feel the wheel a little more, I think, versus the 1250. So 325 50 22s, and I have no rub when I turn back and forth. So this is a 4-inch rough country lift, and on my front bumper I just barely had a trim, just the inside edge, just a little bit. There used to be like a little notch right here that hung out, so I just had to trim that flush. And I got plenty of turning, so if you guys are looking to run 12 wides, I'm sure if you ran 14 wides, you definitely get some rubbing. But 12 wides on negative 51 offset, yep, came out good. So the truck is looking nice. Again, we got the handles replaced. You guys can go check out that video. Outer door handles. Let's see what else I do. So if you guys, a lot of guys ask about these headlights. These are CP-atic headlights. They're clear with the black housing. But yeah, back to the wheels. They look super good. So excited the way these things turned out. Truck looks awesome. It's good styling for the truck. So step back here and see what you guys think. But yeah, I think it looks super good. So guys, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I know our channel's been growing like crazy. If you guys are just checking in, this is my 97 OBS project. Replaced all the inner door handles, so you can see right there. And then we also got the video out where I installed the doubled in there. So go check out that video. I'll have a link down below for that video as well. But yeah, so the other videos I got coming up is I got review on the headers bank system. A lot of you guys have been asking about that. So truck is back together now. Headers are on it. Let me go around to this other side, but see my Y pipe. We also did a EGR delete with a air pump delete. So if you guys are running these 7.5s, this thing has so much more power now. See my tubes coming down over here. They're all ceramic coated. And then let me get down underneath here real quick. So underneath there, all my pipe is fully ceramic coated. And also deleted the cats on it. I'm in Florida, so no emissions down here. So that's super good. And then see where it comes over my axle. I got some paint, I gotta touch that up right there. Unfortunately, these OBS's, whenever you lift them up, the leaf spring comes down so low and it scratched the exhaust right there, so kind of sucks. And then also we took some lift out of the back, so I'll do a full video on that. This way it sits almost perfectly level. I think I'm a 1/4 inch higher in the back than the front, but she's pretty level. So I got rid of that. I had about 2 inches higher in the back, so I'm gonna do a video to show you guys how we did that. So yep, here it is, the OBS truck. Full video. I think it looks super good. I'm so excited the way it came out. So appreciate you guys checking in. Again, if you got any questions, drop them below. Go give the guys at Raceline a shout out. Like I said, I run those on my van right here. I got the 17x9 Raceline assaults. And then, like I said, we got some other stuff coming on the channel. There's a little preview. So another project about to roll out, so y'all stay tuned. Oh, sorry about that. So yeah, super stoked. Truck ride's way better. We drove it all the way to Tampa, went to the Super Bowl car show. I'm sure you guys saw that video. It was actually on Lacey Blair's channel when she first rolled in. She saw it, caught it on video. That car show was super crazy, so I kind of got parked off to the side, but it's been in a couple videos. So I didn't have my center caps on, so it kind of sucked, but I'm glad I got those back on now. And the truck's looking good. Yeah, that's about all I have for this video. Like I said, I got some videos coming up on the exhaust, the EGR, stuff like that. So y'all make sure you stay tuned if you got the 7.5 liter, and we'll go over those. And again, if you're new to the channel, please hit that thumbs up button. Please subscribe to the channel. See you guys on the next video. It's kind of getting windy out here, so getting dark, but I appreciate it, and we'll see you guys on the next one.